So girls, are you vacuuming hazardous materials? Is that where you're wearing goggles? Is it hazardous? The dirt? It could be hazardous. It's good that you're being safe. Thank you. I appreciate it. Safety first. Remy, where are your goggles? Uh-oh. She doesn't have goggles?
Yeah.
Yeah? She does? Where are they? Well, that's okay. She doesn't need goggles. Doggies don't usually have goggles. Yep. Senna has goggles. Who else has goggles?
Mommy.
Mommy has goggles? No. Does Isa have goggles? Yeah? What color are Isa's goggles, Senna? Yeah, that's right. What color are Senna's goggles?
Pink.
That's right. Good job. Yeah. It works.
Pink. Pink.
Just like the egg.
Pink.
Yeah.
Pink.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll let you clean. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.